Hello everyone. You know, Javier Sotomayor of Cuba jumped 2.45 meters to set a record in 1993. He is the current world record holder in high jump. Can you do that? It's difficult indeed. But what if the place was different? Say, on the moon. Even you could jump 6 meter high on moon. And we all know the reason why. On the moon, the gravity is just 1/6 of that on Earth. So, we would weigh just 1/6 of our weight on the moon, and hence it would be possible to jump really high. So, it's all about gravity. But how does gravity work? We already know that moon and satellites keep revolving around the Earth in a slightly stretched out circular orbit, that is, in elliptical orbit, due to the gravitational force exerted by the Earth. Let's understand it again with the example of two boys. Here, the boy in green shirt is Moon and the other one is Earth. And now, this is what happens. Moon wants to move in a straight line, but Earth's gravity pulls the moon towards itself. Again, moon wants to move in a straight line, but Earth's gravity pulls it towards itself. Hence, the moon keeps on changing its direction and ends up revolving around the Earth in a circular path. This force that keeps the body moving along the circular path acts towards the center, and this force is called centripetal force, that is, center seeking force. In absence of this force, the moon would have moved in a straight line and this would be tangent to the circular path. So, what is gravitational force? The force of attraction between the objects is called gravitational force. That's all for now. Bye bye.